You are mining the Denet Watcher Node Airdrop and also mining the Denet Watcher Node Airdrop. You don't know how to get referrals like me. You are just trying hard to grow your Denet Watcher Node app. You know, you see the leaderboard. You see people with millions of Denet Watcher Node points and you don't know how. I'll show you a method step by step on how you can grow your Denet Watcher Node. Unlimited referrals, even up to 1,000 referrals per day. Let me show you. It's just easy. Let's go, and please don't forget to subscribe. So what you have to do is to open your Denet storage app, Denet Watcher Node. So as you go down here, you can see I've already generated 10 referrals. I was just testing the dual space app, so I've already generated up to 10 referrals. So you have to go to your Chrome browser, you type in apkdone.com, apkdone.com. I'm typing it, apkdone.com. So it's now loading. As you can see, the APK Done website is open. You go to the search button, tap on it and type in dual space, DUAL. You give a space and write SPACE, dual space. So now it's now loading. You have to confirm that you are human. apkdone.com, verifying you are human. Tap on that button, tick on it. I've successfully verified that I'm human. Now it will take me to the website where I'll see the very app to download. You have to install only the first one, as you can see here, dual space, the first one. This first one, yes, that's the one you have to download. But as for me, I already have it installed on my phone. So I'm just showing you. You have to tap on that download to download it. That's the dual space app. So I will now leave here. I'll go to my dual space app. I accept, allow everything so that it will read your phone data. You have to click on that plus sign to add the app you want to clone. After I've clicked on it, I will now scroll and select the Denet storage app. You see the Denet Watcher Node app. I've selected it. You can select it as much as you like, even if it's 10 million times. So I will just select up to 3 to show you. I will tap on the first one. After doing the first one, I will go over to the second one. So you must come into your Denet Watcher Node app. Click on that invite friends to get your own referral code. Select any of these options to share it to that place and copy the one that is that code after that link. Now, I already have my link in the clipboard. So I'll now open any one from the dual space clone app. It's now loading. I mean the cloned one. That's how I pull the referrals. So follow the prompts, click on continue, create account, click on create account, accept and continue. It's loading. So input your PIN. After if you input the PIN, you have to repeat it again. So I made a mistake, so I'm inputting it again. I'm confirming it. So as you can see, you now turn on the WN dollar. I will turn on the, you see here, you have to scroll down and you put that your referral code. I already have mine. Exercise a little bit patience. The referral code must be from that your Denet main account. So I've inputted my own. It's now loading. So you now see I've claimed it. You turn on everything. Now I'm going to show you if this referral will reflect or not. So we have to go to our main Denet Watcher Node account, the main app. So I've gone into the main app. See here, I had 10 referrals then. Now check, I've done 2. How many referrals do we have now? Check there, it's now 12 referrals. 12 referrals. So you see, I'm not pranking you, 100% sure So thanks everyone for watching. This is my Facebook page with 10,000 followers, Joker with 10,000 followers. Please follow and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm just new. Thank you.